What up? What up? What up? Got a 1995 old school 95 Nissan van, truck, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, D21 95 Nissan pickup truck. We doing an alternator. Uh, First thing you want to do is take out the battery. You know, it's just positive and negative. So they had it held down with these clamps, with these bungee cords. So, but normally there'd be like a little, usually a 10 millimeter on J hooks, but this one doesn't have that. Go ahead and take these two 10 millimeter bolts out. One right here, and then this will just pop off. Move that to the side. This is 10 millimeter right here, holding on your upper radiator hose. You're gonna take that. I'm gonna just like stick it under here. I just want it out the way. This is a 10 millimeter right here. I'm gonna try to. This doesn't want to come off. It looks like they got like some kind of it's just like a plastic tube right here to connect these hoses, I think. Now I could go a little bit further up and take out that 10. I don't want to like break anything here because it's like an old system. So I'm just gonna try to move this to the side and pull it out. I think I can get it out right here. Looks like enough room. So basically all you got is, that's gonna be a 13 millimeter right there under this red cap. I believe it's gonna be a 13, yeah, 13 or 12 right there. And then you got your plug, of course, right there. And then there's just two bolts. There's this 12, and then there's your adjuster. So loosen that 12, then do this counterclockwise. And then there's another 12 millimeter, 14 maybe, at the bottom right here. Okay, so took the top bolt all the way out. That's your adjuster bolt right here. And then it basically kind of just dropped down because I already took out that bottom 14 long bolt. And that is actually a 12 millimeter for your positive cable. And the electrical connector, you just push down on it. So just push on it to release it. It's a lot easier to get to it when you pull the alternator forward. So I'm just gonna like pull it out right here. I wonder if I can hold you guys right here while I do that. Oh, hold up, there's another, I didn't even see that. So there's a ground cable, that's an 8 millimeter right there on the back of it. I didn't even see that. All right, let me take that off. Okay, so going back in, I just dropped the alternator down in there, and I put, it's actually a 5/16, that ground wire on the back, it's a 5/16, so I put that ground wire on the back, then I put my bottom bolt in first, line that up, and then that should line up your top bolt right here, and you can put that one in. And then I just put my connector back on, and that right there, which is now a 13 millimeter, and then tighten up your adjuster, then tighten up this, tighten up the bottom one, and put this radiator hose back on, and any other hoses that you might have taken off in the process, go ahead and put those back on, and put your battery back in, and then your air duct, and then you're good to go. Make sure you got 13.5 volts or higher, and you're good to go. It's a 95 Nissan D51 pickup truck. It's a 4-cylinder, by the way, alternator replacement.